Hi friends, learning maths is a great fun with the help of Alpha to Omega Mathematics Lab Kit. I am very happy to introduce to you a learning aid to learn about the multiplication table of 9. Here there are many sticks. We can count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we assign numbers 1 to 10 to each stick. Suppose you want to find out the table of 9. For example, you want to know what is 9 threes are. So you count 1, 2, 3 and remove that stick. Now count how many sticks to your left. 1, 2. And how many sticks to your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 9 threes are 2 this side and 7 this side. Therefore, it is 9 threes are 27. Let us take one more example. You want to know what is 9 into 1. So take the first stick number 1. Remove that. And count how many sticks to your left. There are no sticks. No sticks means 0. And how many sticks to your right? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 0 and 9, that is 9. 9 ones are 9. Take another example. 9 fives are. So once again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So remove that fifth stick. Now count to your left how many sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sticks to the left and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sticks to the right. Therefore the number is 45, which means 9 fives are 45. And you must be wondering what would be the answer of 9 into 10. So take the 10th stick. I said in the beginning this is 1 and this is 10. So remove the 10th stick. Now there are 9 sticks to your left and there are no sticks to your right. Therefore 9 the first number, 0 the second number. Therefore the answer is 9 into 10 is equal to 90. So this is just one item from the Alpha to Omega Mathematics Lab Kit of Class 3. There are lots of wonders waiting in the box. Thank you for watching.
Alpha to Omega.
ISRT Alpha to Omega Mathematics Lab Kits. Any കണക്കിന് 100-100